Get out! Your God is the reason I'm doing this. Because I don't believe in your God. And I have never found a Christian who truly believes in their faith. Turn around and get on your knees right now. Shut up! You stay there, be quiet, and do not move! You ready to find out what you're made of?
Please.
Now I'm going to ask you a very simple question with a very simple answer. Think carefully before responding. You claim to be a Christian. Let's see how important Christ is to you. He took nails on the cross for you. He died for you. You will even die for him. Now I'm going to ask you this question, and you have 10 seconds to respond. Your answer will determine whether you live or die. Your entire life comes down to this moment. Are you ready to die for your faith? Say the words, "I'm ready," and I'll pull the trigger. If not, then I'll let you leave, knowing that what you've devoted your entire life to apparently means nothing. So, are you ready to die for your faith? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! I'm not ready! I'm not ready!